Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're looking for an easy way to help keep your car tidy or other small spaces around your home, then you're going to love this mini handheld vacuum from Saker. One of my favorite things about this vacuum is just how compact it is. One of the amazing features is that it's foldable. Even though it's small, the suction is so powerful. This vacuum is so versatile. It can be used for many other things as well, not just your car. I love that I can use it around the house in small spaces when I'm cleaning, where my everyday vacuum just can't reach. This vacuum comes with several different attachments that allows you to interchange them based on what you need. I think it's great that they all fit in the bag, which makes it very easy to store away when you're not using it. The battery life on this vacuum is top notch. I've used it on several different vehicles and even within my home without needing to recharge it. It has 3 different modes, and you'll notice that the light indicator will indicate which mode you're on. The green, yellow, and red just indicates how much power you want. So if you're looking for something with a long-lasting battery life, amazing suction power, then I would highly recommend this handheld vacuum from Saker. And that's my point of view.